our distinguished chief guest, Shri L.K. Advani, Deputy Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Kamala Advani, Pratibhaji Jainji, our guest of honors, special guests, distinguished award winners, consular corps, ambassadors of UK and Finland, overseas dignitaries, members of advisory committee, members of the press and electronic media, and Mr. Anand Mahendra. I have great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to one and all for being with us this evening to celebrate 18th Priyadarshini Global Awards function. Mr. Advani, I am grateful to you for accepting our invitation. I am indebted to you. You have been a source of inspiration, and having you today, I think it's the happiest moment for me and to the members of Priyadarshini Academy. We have amongst us Shri Ved Prakash Goyal, Union Minister of Shipping, who needs no introduction to this audience. Srimati Jayantiben Mehta, Minister for State for Power, is a very popular member of Parliament from this city. We are proud to have with us Shri Suresh Prabhu, Member of Parliament and a former Union Minister. We are also grateful to Dr. Harry Harilila, who despite of his very busy schedules has accepted our invitation for being with us today. We have amongst us the presidents of the most prestigious chambers of commerce of this country, Mr. K.K. Noria, President of ASSOCHAM, Mr. Suresh Kotak, President of Indian Merchant Chambers, Mr. Mahendra Sanghvi, President of International Chamber of Commerce and Industry. In the last 18 years, the Academy has grown from strength to strength, adding on achievements in new areas. The activities of Priyadarshini Academy are broad-based, covering a gamut of spheres to put India on the global cultural map. The function acknowledges and honors outstanding contributions of dignitaries globally in various fields. All our awardees are institutions by themselves. Their presence here is not only a source of inspiration to us, but also a great honor. I am really grateful to Honorable John Prescott, the Deputy Prime Minister of UK. Sir, you have done us a great honor, and I am sure your visit here will bring India and UK very close to each other. We have another towering personality, Satu Hassi. She was a former Minister for Environment from Finland, and very soon I think she will climb the ladder. We have Ambassador Zero Aiko, the Corporate Advisor of Sony Corporation. We have Mr. Stephen Puthoff, Professor Gilbert, Mr. Chandradas, Mr. Satpal Khattar, Dr. Mashalkar, Mr. Yash Chopra, Mr. Anand Pai, Dr. Heredia, and very soon we will be having Karishma with us. On behalf of Priyadarshini Academy, I must thank the Chairman and members of Global Award Advisory Committee who have accomplished a Herculean task in identifying, scrutinizing and selecting the awardees. Priyadarshini Academy has started a Vedic Research Center in Pune in a joint collaboration with India International Multiversity under the guidance of Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Chairman of Vedic Research Center. The ancient knowledge of Vedas need to be integrated with modern knowledge systems. I am sure that in times to come, our research center will make this country proud. We have various projects, national integration through dances. We promote upcoming artists and laughter therapy. We promote laughter. Even to make people laugh, I think it's service to the society. So today we have Laughter Club not only in India, but each and every corner of the world. I would be failing in my duty if I do not make a special mention of the wonderful trip we had undertaken to Leh Ladakh Sindhu Darshan 2002. We had a group of 35 members from different parts of the world, including Japan, Dubai, Indonesia, Thailand, Hong Kong and USA. The function would not have seen the light of the day without the help of our sponsors, Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Mr. Nayan Patel, Mr. Mukesh Thakkar. These are the three people, they have really put a lot of days and day in and day out. Mr. Murli Adani, Akhil Shahani, Prabodh Thakkar, Mr. Mukesh Sharma from Doordarshan, our Police Commissioner Mr. M.N. Singh, Mr. Chandru and his two dynamic sons, energetic sons, Ravi and Neil. We have Mr. Kayur Patel, Mr. Gulu Mirchandani, Mr. Sanjeev Malhotra of Oberoi, Mr. Vivek Goenka of Indian Express. Now I would like to record that Indian Express has really been with us from the inception. Mr. Ramesh Torani, Mr. Raj Purohit and Mr. Vinod Tavde. And of course, above all, I would like to acknowledge the invaluable efforts put in by the Priyadarshini staff to make this a wonderful, memorable. We have Ginit, Nidhi, Anita, Dipali, all have been working day in and day out. I once again extend to you all a very hearty welcome, and I am again grateful to all of you for being with us today. Thank you.